Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change the date and time on your Nokia 105. You see the date and time here on the middle of your home screen, and to change that we can go to our menu and then go to alarm, and now we want to go to time settings down here, and here we can change the clock settings, time format, or the time itself. Can change that by just pressing the arrows up and down, and then the minutes you can change by going to your right one time and then also pressing up and down. We can go back, and here we can say the date settings. It's September the 5th 2023, so that's fine, but if you want to change that, just click up and down or to your right to change the month. Now we can go back and back again, and that's how you can change the date and time settings on your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.